Hey there, wonderful people. Today we're diving into the top 5 best welding machines out there. For anyone looking to up their welding game, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned pro, this lineup covers some fantastic machines that combine quality, durability, and exceptional performance. All product links are in the description below, so you can check them out if something catches your eye. Just a quick note, our list is based on personal insights, considering aspects like ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, and durability to help you make a smart choice. Number 5, we have the SUNKKO 801B. This model is ideal for battery spot welding and brings an impressive set of features packed into a compact design. Weighing in at 3.5 kilograms, it's lightweight and portable with dimensions that make it easy to handle in small spaces. The SUNKKO 801B offers a peak welding energy of 119J and supports a welding thickness of up to zero point 0.4 millimeters, specifically for materials like stainless steel and nickel-plated surfaces. It has an adjustable energy grade from 0 to 99T, letting you dial in the perfect settings for precise welding control. This model is also equipped with advanced pulse power settings, with 10 milliseconds for the 801B variant and 20 milliseconds for the 801D, providing flexibility and precision for your projects. Number 4, with the Glitter 801D. This machine is all about power and efficiency, handling a maximum welding thickness of 0.35 millimeters, especially with nickel-based materials, and delivering a peak pulse power of 238J. It's designed for both fixed head welding and mobile spot welding and can achieve pulse times up to 20 milliseconds for greater accuracy. The Glitter 801D weighs a bit more at 3.8 kilograms, but it's still portable, and its design includes a 73B downward pressure spot welder configuration that provides a smooth and secure welding experience. Plus, with energy level adjustments from 0 to 99T, you get a highly adaptable device for different welding tasks. Number 3 is the DEKO MMA 160-200, a straightforward yet powerful welding machine. Built for versatility, it offers an arc current range of 20 to 200 AS, which allows it to handle various types of welding with ease. This model has a rated duty cycle of 40% and operates on an input voltage of 220 volt to 240 volts. Compact and efficient, it features a protection degree of IP21S, ensuring that it can handle moderate exposure to dust and water, making it reliable for diverse environments. The DEKO MMA 160-200 is compact at just 3.25 kilograms, making it a solid choice for users who need a portable yet powerful welder. Number 2, we have the Andeli Mig 250E, a versatile 3-in-1 machine supporting gasless MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding. It's powered by IGBT inverters, which boost both efficiency and duty cycle, and it delivers an output current of up to 120 AS. This machine is great for beginners, thanks to its synergic design that automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed to match plate thickness, which makes welding much easier to handle. Andeli also provides a split torch design for easy repairs and a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. With a duty cycle of 60% and IP21S protection, this model is an all-around excellent choice for both light and heavy-duty applications. Finally, at number 1, we have the HZXVOGEN HVM200, a top-of-the-line 3-in-1 flux core welder that covers MIG, lift TIG, and MMA functions. It's incredibly user-friendly, featuring a single-knob intelligent control system that manages wire feed speed and current, along with a precise digital display for easy monitoring. This model can handle a welding thickness of up to 4 millimeters and is equipped with a built-in overheating and overcurrent protection system, which extends its lifespan. Despite its high performance, the HZXVOGEN HVM200 is remarkably portable, weighing only 10 pounds, and making it ideal for on-the-go tasks. Plus, it's backed by a 1-year warranty, so you can purchase with confidence knowing it's built to last. Thanks for watching this review. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the latest product reviews and more helpful content.